guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing a little upgrade to our oven build. If you remember, or if you watched the series, you knew these were our adjustable feet. Now, we're still going to be using those adjustable feet, but for now, I've been using this to roll it around. Just walk over here, hopefully they make you guys dizzy. Oh, grab one of these things. Okay, and they're supposed to hold 300 pounds. They definitely do not hold 300 pounds. And they keep breaking. So I've ordered another set and I tried them, it lasted 3 days. So we need something to be able to roll this oven around. Just because the shop right now is pretty tight. Let me move back here again. So what I did is I got these. Now these are from another job that we did. They supposedly hold anywhere between 300 to 400 pounds per caster. What I did is I got 4 of them that are swivel, and then what we're going to do is make a plate, and then we're going to bolt or weld. You see that? We're going to weld the plate on and weld this to the actual plate, and then screw them into the bottom of the oven. This should give us some movement, and they're lockable too, which is awesome. So we've got 4 bolts here. 1, 2, 3. Put them back up. We got 4. And what we're going to do is cut some plate to the same size as this, and then weld those to the back. So let's clean up some scrap metal I've got, and we'll cut the plate and get going. So guys, we've got the plates cut out and cleaned up. So now what the game plan is here is we have to find our dead center, and then we'll the bolt will go just like that. Okay, and then the caster will go on top of that, like that. And that should work out perfectly. So what we'll do here is let me flip this around. We'll find the dead center. We'll pre-drill a hole, not to put the bolt through, but so I can weld it from the back side or the top side where this is going. So basically I put a hole through here, and the bolt of course will be like so, and then I'll be able to put that on there, line it up, and weld it from the back side. And then I'll put a bead all the way around. So guys, you can see I've got the holes drilled out on the plate. So basically what's going to happen is this bolt is going to be tacked on in the center here. And then of course we'll be able to flip it around and weld it from the back side. Okay, and then of course the caster will go on top, on this top plate here. So let's clean up these pegs off the top of this bolt so we get a nice clean flush mount, and then we'll get welding. So guys, as you can see, I've got the spot weld on the top, I've got the bolt welded all the way around. As you can tell, there's lots of splatter. I had to go to flux core because I ran out of gas, but that's okay, we'll clean them up. I got them welded, and they're welded nice and hot. So we'll give those a few minutes to cool off and clean them up, and then we'll probably shoot a little bit of primer on them so they don't rust up. And then actually maybe we'll do a little bit of primer first, and then we'll tack on the castors. But it's looking pretty good. So let that cool off for a few, and then we'll clean them up. So guys, I got them all welded up, grinded down, cleaned up. We also gave them a shot of some primer. Just waiting for the primer to dry, and then we'll get them on the oven and see how it works. But they came out pretty good. We got some primer underneath just to keep them from rusting. Well, hopefully this is going to work well. So guys, as you can see, we got them installed. They seem to be holding out really, really well. I've got them in a lock position. So what we'll do is let's unlock it and see how easy it is to roll. There's one. I'll have to bend down on this one. Once unlocked, around the side, that's unlocked. Hopefully this thing doesn't start spinning on me. Unlocked. There we go. Wow. Guys, I can move this whole thing, one hand. That's amazing. Rolls beautifully. That's awesome. Well, let's see. Nice. Nice and sturdy. Oh, that's what we wanted to do. Now we can move this thing around in the shop when we're, ready to use it, and then put it away when we're not. So that's a bonus. So let's put it in a position, and then I'll lock it in place, and we'll let it sit and get ready for our next project. Speaking of next project, I give you a little glimpse of what we got coming. There we go. So that'll be our next upload. I'm pretty sure most of you guys know what that is. That's a bike frame, so we're gonna have some fun. And of course it'll be involving some powder coating. So guys, stay tuned for the next episode, because it's gonna be packed full of information and fun. And guys, I really appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. Helps the channel grow, keeps me motivated. Thank you guys.